Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again today. You can hear the sound of children. Today I'm going to explain about verb and its forms and how you will use verb for your spoken English. Look guys, it's extremely important according to me using verb, not just verb, I mean taking the forms of verb and utilizing as the sentences, different sentences is extremely important. So guys, start from a simple word like go, come, play, eat. These are the simple words that you need to start from if you are a beginner. If you are a beginner on that condition, and make the sentences by using its forms. Like if we make sentences by go, then I go to school, right? मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. I went to I went market. Or you can say I reached the market using second form of verb. Most important thing, you need to have a clear understanding with the meanings in Hindi also. If you are a Hindi medium student, if you understand Hindi well and wanted to speak English, then must understand in the meaning in Hindi too. So that guys, if you will have a proper understanding with the word meaning of verb in Hindi, then you can make sentences very easily. Very easily. For example, make sentences by using verb go. I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. I went to market. मैं बाजार गया. I have reached home. मैं घर पहुँच चुका हूँ. Right? Like this, you need to have just a clear understanding with the verb, and also the meaning that you are using. That you need to have a clear understanding. Otherwise, you cannot speak English without understanding it. It will be really difficult for all of you. Use a fourth form of verb like I am going to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. So have a clear understanding. Have understanding in Hindi also. Some people will think there is no need of Hindi, but according to me, if you are a Hindi language speaking person, then you need to have a proper understanding in Hindi too. Otherwise, how would you understand it? How will you make sentences, guys? Okay, let's take another word like eat. I eat an apple. मैं आम खाता हूँ. Okay, so I ate an apple means मैं आम खाया. I have eaten an apple. मैं आम खा चुका हूँ. Like this, have a clear understanding, and you can make different sentences with a verb, right? So there are many. Like if you wanted to go a little bit advanced version from here, then use some advanced verb like fluctuate. Fluctuate means utar chadhav, right? So guys, I think according to me, so know the word meaning is extremely important. For example, fluctuate means utar chadhav. I fluctuate medieval to advanced English. While speaking English, I fluctuate Hindi to English. Why you fluctuate while speaking? Never fluctuate in an ideology to know the meaning in Hindi of English, right? Without knowing meaning, you won't be able to make sentences, guys. So have a proper understanding with some word meaning. Even I will tell that if you are going through any word meaning, then take that word meaning deeper understanding, right? Search about that verb, know about that verb, then make your own sentences, guys. This is extremely important. Take a different verb, make that verb with sentences with the different forms, right? That's it, yeah. And you will have a lot of understanding. Even if you don't know the whole grammar, right? You need not to know every grammar, but you need to have a proper I mean at least a basic grammar. Basic grammar for speaking English, right? And you will notice when you will use a verb into sentence of the forms of different forms like present forms, past forms, and past participle forms, that it is a very easy. I mean, there are some verbs that you need to have a practice. Then, if you will notice that there are many verbs, most of verbs that is made by ed in the end of adding ed, like plate, made, completed, followed, fluctuated, like this. Okay, so you just need to practice, start practice with the verb, then you will notice, you will identify that and most of verb is made by uh, adding ed, like play. So you can easily make sentences with this also, like I play cricket, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ, माई चाइल्ड इज प्लेइंग हॉकी, मेरा बच्चा जो है हॉकी खेल रहा है, आई एम वॉचिंग मूवीज, सॉरी वॉचिंग हो गया क्या, प्ले से ही बनाना, आई प्लेड चेस, मैं चेस खेला, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द चैप्टर, मैं चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन किया, I told you to some tricks of using word forms into a sentences, like this. So most important, you all understand now that you all need to practice with the different verb, taking each form of that verb. One more thing important that you need to understand, that is first form of verb, like I go to school. I go means मैं जाता हूँ. But when we use third person singular number like he, she, it, then it will become s and es will be added there. Like he goes, वह जाता है. I go, मैं जाता हूँ. You go, तुम जाते हो. She goes, वह जाती है.